know this is coming up later than Pancake Day. For me, Pancake Day is today. For you, it already was. Oh, this is wobbly. Why is it wobbly? No, why is it wobbly? Sort of. Anyway, I always make like intros that are way too long, so I think that people just like click off. So this one is gonna be quick. Hi, it's Pancake Day. We're gonna make pancakes. I don't know what type of pancakes yet because I haven't been downstairs and I just wanna see what I feel like when I see the ingredients I have. Depending on the title, you already know what type of pancakes they are. Let's go. Right, so I got this plantain that is obviously needs using. I mean, it's black, but it was on the fridge and it's not soft. It's just like it needs using. It's mature. Yeah, let's say it's mature. So I decided I'm gonna make emborrajados. Is that a Spanish word? It is. It's a Ecuadorian dish. Can't help it. If you don't know what they are basically like plantain pancakes. Like they're pancakes that are filled with plantain and cheese. So you need the basic things for pancakes that are flour, plantain. I'm gonna use some yogurt, cheese, then I'm gonna use mozzarella, and this one because this one is like it won't melt, and I want some to melt and some not to melt, so I have like different textures there because I like that. If you don't, then don't. Baking powder and a little bit of salt, and that's it. So first of all, you cook your plantains with a little bit of salt in water, obviously, until they are soft. Meanwhile, I'm gonna make the pancake batter. Better, isn't it? If not, you won't be able to see what I'm actually doing again. But hopefully it's not chopping my head. I don't think so. It's a little bit tilt, but we can work with that. Because I'm cold, then I'm cold again. When am I ever not cold? The water in here is so nuts. Like 100 grams of flour. Well, we don't have that much. I'm gonna make half of it. So 50 grams of flour. Because I don't have a lot of plantain, I only have one, and you just need to cover them. So you don't need as much butter. That's what I'm trying to imply. Half a teaspoon baking powder. A teaspoon of yogurt. Or 2 teaspoons of yogurt, maybe 3 teaspoons of yogurt. But for this part, you can use any pancake recipe that you normally use. That's why I'm not detail showing you, but I'll leave on the description the exact if you want to do exactly the same that I'm doing. And an egg white. Blech. Perfect. If not, then did I show you the milk? I didn't show you the milk, did I? Now these are ready, so we need to mash them like this. More salt, some pepper, a little bit of garlic. You mix that up. Now you add a teaspoon of corn flour because we have to make balls with it. Leave that resting for a bit. And meanwhile, we're gonna chop the cheese. I don't know why I'm so sorry today. It's just like... No, I don't know. I had a dream I had a dream where I had a boyfriend. But my boyfriend died. I can't even keep them in the dream. What's that about? Mozzarella. Oh, chop them. I don't know why I put you there because now I need to change you again because if not you're not gonna see what I'm doing. There's a melon here. I don't know why. Melon is a watermelon. Watermelon. My mom used to make them all the time when I was little and I used to love them, you know. Used to absolutely adore. I could eat like a bunch of them. But she didn't make it exactly like this. I'm kind of like transforming her recipe. She used to make them like just chop the plantain and put it on the pancake batter and don't add the cheese. You add the cheese later with half, or well, we didn't add cheese. But I wanted to make this time because I was just like, cheese. It's like a combination because she also makes like a ham, plantain cake, and that one does have cheese. Even if it doesn't, I always add cheese. Plantain and cheese go so well. What you're doing is you're putting a spoon of this. I'm using a bag that I opened to make this. You put a spoon of this, and then you put a cheese in the middle. I'm gonna use both types of cheese. Hold on. Like that. You see both type of cheeses. I hate how I say that. And then you kind of make it into a bowl around this. Like a bowl, you know what I mean. Don't need to say that. Aha, we need another plate. To put the bowls. One bowl. You could also add onion, but I didn't. But you could, like while it's cooking, you could add an onion and like mash it with the onion because that will make it so good. I keep eating it as well. Like after a little bit, it just nothing is so. What is it that when you have something in your fingers, you have to lick your fingers? I was watching an episode. I almost say an episode. Well, there are kind of episodes. A video of Emma Chamberlain the other day. Last night. Of her house or apartment. She mentioned that she was like 5. I thought she was smaller than that. Not in a bad way. It's just like I thought it was kind of like my height, and she's taller than me. I'm so tired. I was so tired. I love her friends that I made that my bones. Yeah, she's gonna grow like 10 centimeters more at least. Or I may. I'm still waiting. I want 10 centimeters more. Got your pan, got the waffles of plantain with cheese that we're gonna dip. We're not emborrajados yet because we haven't cooked them. So you preheat your pan. You have to take one of the balls, dip it in the butter, and then you take it out into the pan itself. Oh my lord. Also, you have to push it. And then, like a normal pancake, you wait. You know, that's the problem with pancakes. They take too long. Like I always just love them. Well, that's everything for this video. Thank you for watching, as always. Hope you like it and try it. And if you do, send me pictures because I'd love to see.
One,
yeah.
2, 3, 4.
See you next time.